Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the nib and feed are intact and the section threads are clean. Gentle inspection prevents leaks. Once done, choose the ink source, cartridge for speed, converter for flexibility. Make sure the converter fits snugly and the cartridge snaps fully. Prepare a small cup of clean water, a syringe or bulb for flushing, and a lint-free tissue so you can blot. Begin now, don't wait. This setup avoids common fill problems later. You'll flush the feed first. Attach the converter or use a syringe and push water through until it runs clear. This removes old residue. Next, dip the nib into the ink bottle and draw ink into the converter fully, leaving about 3–4 mm headspace to prevent pressure-driven leaks. Once filled, expel a small amount through the nib to prime it and then blot gently on paper. If the flow feels weak, repeat a gentle prime. Patience here sets a steady line. You now test the pen with long flowing strokes to stabilize ink flow and observe line quality. This tells you whether to adjust angle or pressure. Once satisfied, clean any surface ink and store the pen upright or horizontal with nib up for short periods to prevent leaking. If you encounter skipping or hard starts, flush the feed with a syringe and repeat priming. If that fails, inspect the nib for misalignment and gently realign tines. Regular monthly cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.